In a warm and cosy cottage, there lived a little bear named Teddy. Teddy wasn't an ordinary bear, as this little bear had a passion for bacon. On sunny days, Teddy could be found frolicking in the meadow, chasing bees and lying in the late afternoon sun. But as the sky grew dark and the clouds loomed overhead, Teddy retreated to his little cottage. Teddy didn't like storms or the rain. To keep his mind busy, he went to his happy place, which was his kitchen. Chef Teddy wore his special apron, rolled up his sleeves, washed his paws, and dived into the world of flour, sugar, and spices. Teddy found baking very relaxing. The precision of measuring, the repetitive motions of stirring, and the anticipation of watching the dough transform into something golden and delicious. As he mixed and measured, the rhythmic drip drops of the rain outside seemed to synchronize with the gentle whisking of his spoon. He slowly forgot about the storm outside, his mind feeling calmer as he felt safe and warm in his cozy little kitchen. He took a deep breath. The aroma of honey and cinnamon filled the air, wrapping Teddy in a comforting embrace as he joyfully worked. Once cooked and ready, Teddy took the first bite of his hearty and warm chocolate chip cookies. A burst of sweetness filled his senses, rich chocolate melting on his tongue, sweet hints of vanilla and the tones of cinnamon and nutmeg, adding to the comforting warmth. Teddy let out a big sigh. "Just perfect," he said, with a big happy grin. Teddy had noticed that the pitter-patter of the rain had become much lighter. The storm had passed. Teddy sat on his sofa and curled up with a fluffy blanket. The now soft sounds of the rain felt soothing, the hazy warmth from the fire a welcoming hug, and the smell of freshly baked cookies lingered in the air. Teddy took a deep breath and slowly rested his eyes where a peaceful sleep awaited him. Good night, Teddy, and sweet dreams.